CNC Machinist for Perth, Western Australia. Yeah, g'day, mate. So today I've got two positions for metal machinists. The client in Western Australia has got CNC lathes and mills that all use the Siemens operating system. Now, the conversational program that links it is shop turn and shop mill. Now, ideally, we're looking for somebody that's onshore in Australia at the moment with full-time work rights. If not, we'll look at bringing some people in from offshore. We're offering the 482 working visa with a future pathway to permanent residency. Salaries are around 76,000 up to about $108,000 per year. Visa requirements will depend on your nationality. You can see the list underneath here. Also, there's an application form if you have experience and the requirements ready. So yeah, CNC Machinists for Perth, Western Australia. Yeah, if you like this information, press the like button. If you want to hear more about visas and jobs in Australia, press the follow button. Otherwise, go to my profile and my webpage link is on there. Cheers. Have a good day.